back to Photo Mentor channel, an exclusive platform to know more about photography. Today we will know about photography jobs, so stay connected and we will let you know how can you make your career in photography. There are different categories or types in photography and hence there is a wide opportunity in photography career, such as fashion photography, wedding and event photography, wildlife photography, product photography, photojournalism and many more. We have discussed on these in our last video on photography career. If you haven't seen that video, then kindly watch it, the link is given below. Well, here we will see what are the photography job opportunities, eligibility for it and the salaries. You can build up a very strong career in photography by working as a photographer in three main ways, that are in public sector, private sector and as a freelancer. Working in a public sector is when you get opportunity to work as a photographer or its related streams in the organizations that are owned and operated by the government, such as in government offices, government departments or like government projects. The next opportunity is to work in the private sector. These are the companies and organizations that are owned and run by the private individuals. For example, the advertising companies, commercial and e-commercial companies, event organizing companies and many such private-owned organizations. In both the public and private sector, the photography job offered is either salary-based or project-based, depending upon the department and the type of work. And now let's see about the most followed work type in photography. Yes, it's none other than the freelance photography. Freelancing is when you work for any other companies for any number of projects, or you may even get self-employed by taking photographs for different clients as per their needs and requirements. Hence, whether you are interested in media photography, photojournalism, wildlife photography, event photography, fashion photography, product photography or any other category, you may find the photography jobs in private sector, public sector as well as in freelancing. Now it's time to know what is the eligibility to achieve the career in photography. In private and public sector, companies demand for the well-qualified and skilled photographers. Minimum eligibility of basic formal education such as 10th or 12th is required, while there are few companies that prefer graduate candidates. Apart from this, candidates need to have compulsorily completed the photography education and have a pleasing individual portfolio. Photography education can be acquired by learning and undergoing a photography course of minimum 1 year to maximum 3 to 5 years, while an individual portfolio will prove your talent and play the role of putting your experiences together. Now, what about the eligibility for being a freelancer photographer? Specifically, there is no basic eligibility required when you are working as a freelancer photographer. That sounds interesting, right? Your skills, professionalism, portfolio and quality of work, approach towards clients, photography and camera knowledge remains the key factors in eligibility to achieve the next freelancing project. So basically, if your work is good and you prove it in your project, then you are eligible for the next more projects. It's that simple. Now let's see what is the salary scales for photographers in India. In private and public sector, a photographer may earn as much as Rs 15,000 to 20,000 on an average in a month as a beginner. With continuous working skills, the salary can gradually increase. While a freelancer photographer does not work on salary basis, he or she is paid as per the projects and the quality of work. Hence, freelancers can earn on an average of Rs 20,000 to 1 lakh and even above in a month. Now, you give a thought in which sector you want to work in. Till then, stay tuned with us, subscribe our channel, click on the bell button for the notification on our latest videos. And if you want to know more about photography tips, tricks, articles and portfolio, then please visit our website www.photomentorpro.com. Feel free to like and share, write your queries and comments on the comment section below. Stay safe and healthy, for we will be back soon. Bye bye.